All right, we're about to take off. Gonna be pulling the buggy today, looks like. My dad jumped on the combine and Sarge's on the other one. Got a new, this is new to us. I say it's probably an 18, 19 model, the 875 J&M. But we're about to convoy down the road. Don't hold up a ton of traffic. Get our escorts in line, head in line.
Your lights on your buggy, they work, Dave? Trouble from the 9870.
we finished the first field, moved from across the road, and now both combines are running, have been for about 35, 40 acres. And the 9870 had a bit of a knocking noise when we first started, didn't know what it was, got the header full. I was like, that don't sound good. Stopped them. We tried to figure out what it was. We thought maybe when they were adjusting belts or changing belts from corn to beans, possibly the rotor had got left in neutral. So we moved it to what we thought was in gear, and that was in neutral. So anyway, long story short, we pulled back around, started again, same knocking. I got out, opened the side door, rotor was off now, we put it in gear, tried it again. Decided there's some other issue, it's not just the rotor. Took it apart, dug out what was stopped up, just underneath the concave. Of course, if the rotor's not on, it's not getting into the inside the concave in the rotor. But the little shoe grain augers just underneath the concave we changed the bearings in those this winter. We'll call any names. There's 4 of them, 4 augers, and we took all 4 of them out, changed all the bearings, put them back in, and apparently, I don't know if the guys that were changing it knew it or not. I didn't know it. I'd never had them out. There's left-handed flightings and right-handed flightings on those augers. Well, they spin separate ways according to what's pulling the grain back or the trash back. So they had them they had them swapped, and yeah, about to have to unload him. I hope he didn't get in that light wire. Nope. Man, that was close. But anyway, yeah, we flip-flopped them augers back around, and now we're cutting beans, thrashing. 1670, 9870, and 8295R and the 875 grain buggy. And I'm almost loaded 3 trucks. So, pretty good beans. And we're right at 40 acres. So here we go. Waiting on the last truck. Everybody's up. Me and my dad went home. Joe's pulling up the last truck right here. Gonna stick one buggy and what my dad has on the 670 combine. Throw Joe's hopper bottom up real quick. Call it a day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, thumbs up button, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Thanks.